Hi everyone, it's Sorkan. Today we have a problem when we are given an intervals, which is the start and the end time of a meeting, and then we need to find whether or not a person can attend all meetings. So for example, in this case, let's say that the first meeting starts at 2 and ends at 4, and another meeting starts at 1 and ends at 3, and the next meeting starts at 5 and ends at 6. So what we are going to do is, first step is we are going to sort these intervals by the start time. And what we are going to do in our function, so we are sorting that, and the next one is we are checking that in order for a person to attend all meetings, the start time of the next meeting should be more than the end time of the previous meeting. So for example, in this case, this meeting ends at 3, but the start time of the next meeting is 2, so which means that the person cannot attend all meetings. So we are checking that if the 2 is, if in this case, right, if the 2 is less than our previous intervals end time, then in that case we are returning false. Otherwise we are returning true. So the time and space complexity of this solution, the time complexity is n log n, because we are sorting our array, and the space complexity is we are not using any extra space, so it's constant. So I have also Java solution, which I will include in the description. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.